So there, my friend, you're in the deep end. Just hanging on to hope by a loose thread. But it's never good to try and play pretend. Maybe what's broken can start to shine, and you'll find this time tomorrow will decide where it will all go in this life. Those younger years never saw yourself standing here. They disappear, all the moments kept so dear. Stop keeping them close. Waves come and go, and you'll find this time tomorrow will decide where it will all go in this life. Hope that the sun finds you now. Let it play out.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to comment below and let me know how you like to eat your instant noodles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. See you next time.